So we start off today's video with this long to short hair transformation. So it looks like the stylist cut off quite a bit of hair here. Wow. And then he is going even shorter with the clippers here. Oh, wow. Beautiful mohawk pixie style. I really like the edginess behind this look. Oh, this is awesome. So much body and movement within this style as well. Very cool. Now, if you guys are new around here, my name is Danielle, and welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature a variety of hot hair transformations, a lot of which are your favorite, the long to short. So here we have someone else going shorter. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Ooh! Loving this cute little boy cut pixie style. This one does feature some face framing bangs going there in the front. Such a chic, stylish look. Really brings out her cheekbones, makes them pop. Such a cute style. So don't forget to let me know which transformation from today's video is your favorite. I always love reading what you guys are digging. Here we have someone else doing a long to short. She has this beautiful long blonde hair. Oh, I love the stylish hair that has that red copper tone. So pretty. So after they cut her hair, they go in with some color here. So she's getting a full makeover here, cut and color. I love it. Oh, looks like they cut her hair even shorter. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is more than just a cut and color transformation. This is like life-changing hairstyle here. Wow, beautiful blonde pixie style. It's almost like a platinum ash blonde tone happening with the color. Very nice. Oh, I'm loving this. What a transformation. Very, very cool. Nice little life-changing makeover. And then we have someone with some ombre grown in root gray hair. So the stylist adds in some color here. Ooh. So it looks like she went full on platinum, embraced the gray. Now, I like this transformation because most of the time when women start to gray, they will color their hair like dark or blonde, you know, to try to hide the grays. But I like the fact that she chose a color that just kind of embraced her grays that were coming in. That's really inspiring to see. Oh, look at this. She even has some highlights going on. Wow. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Very nice. And her hair looks so healthy. Oh, this is so beautiful. Very cool. So beautiful. Next up, it looks like we have a nice little pixie here. Quite a few pixies in today's video. Like the stylist is cutting some bangs here, creating like a nice little layered textured effect. She has a beautiful sheen to the hair as well. Very nice. This has a nice little like piecey, choppy effect. The texture that the stylist created. Such a cute style idea. Especially if you like a short pixie. Not every client wants to be blonde, but it looks like this one does. Oh, wow. So she kind of did like some highlights here. Oh, that was beautiful. All right, you guys, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, all of the hairstyles that were featured. Please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.